Viewers, good morning, viewers. Today is February 10th. We are in the second week of 2020. So the year's going by pretty fast. So today's video, I'm going to talk about fears and risk and reward. Um, we all have fears, and for anybody that tells you that they don't have any fears, well, that person is a liar. We all need to kind of dig in deep and access what our fears are. And when I'm talking about fears, I'm not necessarily talking about personal fears, maybe with your family, but professional fears. What are you afraid of? And there's always going to be a risk when you face your fears. That risk is not that you're taking that you're stepping out of your comfort zone. The risk is when you don't face your fears. That's the risk. What do you stand to lose by not facing your fears? You stand to lose a lot. You stand to gain everything. So that's the reward. Um, so how do we we need to make sure that we are identifying our fears so that we can grow. And I'll give you an example. If you are at the gym and you're exercising, and in order for your muscles to grow, you actually need to tear that muscle, which means you need to push it, which means you need to go out of your comfort zone and kind of face your fears. I mean, if you're lifting a certain amount of weight, put some more weight on it. Or maybe do a few more repetitions, that's going to get you out of your comfort zone. That's going to tear that muscle. Your muscle's going to grow. And it's the same thing with your professional life. Get out of your comfort zone, assess what your fears are, push yourself so that you get the reward. Because remember what the risk is not in you facing your fears. The risk is in you not facing your fears. That's going to be your risk because then you'll become obsolete. So I'm going to leave with today's quote. It's a long one, so I'm going to read it verbatim. Not finance, not strategy, not technology. It is teamwork that remains the ultimate competitive advantage, both because it is so powerful and so rare. Again, not finance, not strategy, not technology. It is teamwork that remains the ultimate competitive advantage, both because it is so powerful and so rare. Till next week, have a great week, and let's make sure that we are facing our fears.